Guys, I'm looking yummy. I am looking yummy. If you want to know how I look, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. And dear red viewers, yo, click on it. You know what I mean? See ya. Hi, it's your girl HettyAmens. Hi, what's up? It's your girl HettyAmens of Hetty's Beauty Parlor. You know what it is. Okay, so I'm looking yummy. So I want to say thank you if you are new here. Welcome, and to my old service, welcome back. And thank you for always coming back for more. So today, if you are ready to see how I installed this is a wig. I ain't got time to go sit there like 6-8 hours to braid my hair. So yes, in this video I'll show you how I installed this frontal braids wig. Okay, so yeah, let's get straight into this video. I love this. So see you guys in my next video. I want to say thank you. Keep watching my videos. There are a whole lot of variety stuffs coming here. If you want me to show more of my clients' work, okay, I'm going to show you. If you want to see more of me, I'm coming with pranks. I'm coming with a lot of videos. So hey, I want to say thank you for always supporting HettyAmens. You know what it is. Okay, so I'm feeling myself. Like, damn, like my pasta better be ready because I'm looking yummy. Oh, yo, like this chocolates, you know.